Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm assuming most of you guys know that Michael over there at the Rustinox YouTube channel has issued us metal workers a challenge, and we're all supposed to come up with our creative juices and come up with a coat hanger. So this video is going to be about making one. I've been contemplating about how I'm going to do it because, you know, this is the current state of my shop. It is not built, you know, and as you guys have been following along the trials and tribulations of Mother Nature and trying to get this thing built, I have been, you know, fighting the weather, and we haven't been making much progress, or it's been real slow progress. So I got to get creative since I don't have a shop, and most of my tools are packed up. But you know, I do have stuff up there at the barn, so we're gonna head up there, see what I can get to, and you know, come up with a coat hanger. So stay tuned. So as you can see, everything's kind of packed up, but I do have access to my welder, and I can probably get to my plasma cutter if I need to pull it out, or the TIG welder, so that's good. But all the tooling and all that stuff is packed up. And another spot where I got everything packed up. I can't really get to hardly anything here. You know, my work table, my big vise is, well, probably can't see it, let me see, but back there, so, you know, kind of limited to what I can reach and get to. I could possibly get to my shear if I needed that. And let's see here. I got the shed here with more storage. This is where a lot of the stock is, so this is probably where we'll have to start. See if I can do this in one hand. There you go. Let's see here. Might be able to get to some metal stock back here and get creative. So, alrighty, let me kind of brainstorm a little bit, and I'll bring you guys back. Hang on. Alright, I found my stash of old horseshoes. Cool, that'll work. That's the start of something. And I got some rebar left over from down there at the shop building the footers. Maybe do something with that. Need some vice grips and maybe some Mac Daddy snap-on pliers. That should work. Well, Michael, I'm afraid I can't work on the coat hanger today. Seeing I don't have a shop, I got to work outside, and it's snowing, so Mother Nature ain't cooperating. Well, we got some nice weather today, so what do you say we head out to the barn and get back on this coat hanger build? Since we don't have a shop, we got to do it outside, caveman style, so we have to do it when the weather is good and the dogs are having a good day today. So I dug the pedestal grinder out of storage. We'll go ahead and get these horseshoes cleaned up. What do you say? All right, let's punch a couple mounting holes in this thing. What do you think? All right, gonna do a little countersinking. Gonna have to use a drill bit since my countersinks are still packed up. Gonna do it for a number 8 screw. Gonna kind of have to be trial and error. All right, that'll work. I'll do the other one. All right, let's get this thing welded up. Not sure how well you're gonna see it. The lighting's not that good. I got the rebar cleaned, ground and angle. So let's get it on. Oh yeah, Viking 3350 helmet. This thing rocks. Get you one. All right, let's get this thing hung. New power tool. Arr, arr, arr. Ha, ha, ha. Well, let's give it some juice. What do you say? There we go. That's some Milwaukee power. Gotta get it straight. Sweet. We got his coat hanger. All right, I think we got us a winner. So, what do I win, Mike? Anyways, go check out Rustinox channel. Watch the video so you understand what this coat hanger 2020 is, and you know, join the challenge. And I want to say, no horses were harmed in using these horseshoes. But hey, thanks for watching the channel. I appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. If you hadn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it if you found my channel through the Coat Hanger 2020 challenge. My channel is about machining and welding and metal fab, and we'll hope to be up and running in a new shop here soon. So until then, I'll see you later.